ST70AH here again, and we're up here in Tipp City, and we got a southbound coming. I just got here, just in time for a southbound. We're up here in Tipp City, Ohio, milepost 74 in the CSX Toledo sub. Still got the CPL standing. Now they only have them on the south end of the siding. The north end of the siding is replaced with the modern signals. Might be M559. He's got coke hoppers on it, the old C&W ones. There you go, southbound, headed towards Dayton, eventually Cincinnati. And there's one of the CPLs right there. It's got all 8 of the all 8 of the lights, and it's got one indicator right on top. Pretty cool. Alrighty folks, ST70AH here again, and we're up here in Tipp City this afternoon. We just came from the Dayton, Ohio train show this weekend. And guess what? We got another southbound coming. This is the second one, and I've only been here about 10 minutes, so it's going pretty good right now. The cool part about Tipp City is there's a lot of grade crossings between the south end of the siding, and the last one about half mile down. So lots of horn action. So here we go. Hey, gate runner. Go, B522 steel train. Hey, there's Tubby. Nice. Oh, P&LE on the side of that one. A good chunk of that's visible too. I'm surprised. Very cool. But yeah, this is B522 southbound loaded steel train going to Middletown. There's another chassis one right there. See it on the ends of the car, and B&O marks. Yep, there's another one. Go, B522 southbound headed towards Dayton and eventually Middletown. We'll turn at Overpeck Cutoff northeast from Middletown, so that's pretty cool. And while we're up here, I just want to go ahead and take a second. We hit 1,000 subscribers for the SD70AH channel. That is something that I have wanted to accomplish for so long. You have no idea. I've had my channel about 4 years, and I just recently started posting again about a year ago. I was at 42 subscribers, and we have worked our way up to the point that we're at 1,000 now, which is crazy to think about. And what's also crazy, hey, we got a green signal for a northbound. Check that out. That's why I'm doing my little spiel here. Got a clear signal lit up for a northbound. So that's pretty cool. But I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a massive shout out and a huge thank you to everybody who supported the channel and stayed with it. It's followed my channel for a while. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff coming out in the next couple weeks now that I've finally got a little bit more time to work on YouTube. I've got a bunch of cool videos that are going to come out from all around the area, not just Glendale. Lots of stuff from Hamilton, New Miami. Went up to Trenton one day. I've got Tipp City today. So there's going to be a lot of cool stuff. Just wanted to go ahead and thank you guys again. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff coming out. And thanks for sticking with the channel. Alrighty folks, here we go. We got a northbound Lots of horn blasts there. Rock Island. There you go, all covered hoppers going north. I'm not sure if that was maybe an M506 with just all covered hoppers or not, but still pretty cool. Alrighty folks, well here we are at the north end of the control point for South End Tipp City. Just wanted to show what's left up here. So on the main, the switch is completely gone, everything's tore out. You got the ties still in the ballast that lead up to it, the rail's still in the road. And you can see it right here. The main's all nice and shiny. The rail grinder just came through within the last week. And then here in the siding, it's all rusted. Nothing's ever gonna roll over that again, but here's the shape of the siding now, or what's left of it. Looks like a tree got cut down and all of it's just laying in the right of way here, but just wanted to check the dwarf. Oh man, well, ain't that something? So the last time I came up here in the middle of January, the left side was lit and the right side was out. And I made the joke that it was winking at me. Well, now it's winking at me from the other side because the right side's lit and the left side's out. So that's something. I wouldn't have expected that, but that's the CPL dwarf, and the 3D printed one I have is an exact replica of this one with the way it's laid out. It's got all aspects but the restricting aspect, and it's only got the bottom marker. And then here, of course, is the signal for the main. It's the same as the other end of Tipp City, or the same as the other signal, except it just doesn't have the restricting markers. But they're still here for now. Who knows how long it'll be and how much longer they have till they're replaced, but just wanted to go ahead and show this off, that it's still here for now. Alrighty folks, here we go. He's coming north right there, so I gotta do this real quick, but there you go. CPL's lit up clear for the northbound here. It's got a high green, so I'm gonna switch sides here and get them right here. Here at Dow Street. Had B522 come south loaded. Now we have B523 going north empty. Pretty cool. There he goes. Heading north towards Troy. Eventually Lima. I'm just gonna keep it rolling just a few more seconds just in case we get a lunar. And if not, I may head down towards Dayton, see if I can't catch B522 again. But either way, it doesn't look like we're gonna get anything else. So I guess that's gonna be it for me today. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys will continue to follow and support the channel. I got a bunch of cool stuff planned to come out in the next couple weeks. If you look, let's see, I'm not sure if you can see it, but just knocked down the green signal up there at the north end of the siding, so he wasn't too long a train. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.